Here's my old DSi from like 7 years ago. I've always wanted to run homebrew and custom firmware on it, and now I can. I'm going to be using memory pits, an exploit using the DSi camera, and I've already copied all the files to my SD card, so we're not going to go through all that boring stuff. This video is not a guide, by the way, but you could use it as one, if this thing will actually work. And the video's for entertainment purposes only. So yeah, let's do some elite hacksaring, I guess. Nice, there's my brother. You won't be able to see that because I'm obviously going to blur it out, because man doesn't want his face all over the damn internet, you know what I'm saying? Right, so obviously on my SD card, select the SD card, you know. This is the moment of truth for the work. Alright, here we go. Select your language if that. It's already on the right one. GUI, game, English. I'll keep it all in English because proceed. Select my region. Apparently you can pick any, but I'm gonna keep it real, Europe, because that's where I am. And that is interesting. I don't know if you heard that, but it sounded a fair bit different. So yeah, it says 2022 on it. I didn't realise. Ooh, shit. We get some nice music that's preparing for us. Oh, this one's probably going to be a bop. A banger, if you will. I don't know. I don't know if it's preparing the audio file or an entire orchestra to play the music. So yeah, I'm going to do a NAND dump. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to do it. Just going to wait for this banger music to play. That was a bit of a scam, wasn't it? So yeah, I'm going to be using the dump tool. So yeah, the only thing I don't like is it's on dark mode and you thought, wait, you narcissist, what the hell? But this one kind of looks a bit ugly, to be fair. But before I do that... Oh, it's already running. I thought it was some system menu or whatever. There is a way to get there, I'm sure. Alright, now we're going to do a dump tool. Okay, dump our NAND. Look, you see some hacker shit here. A. And you can see it as a progress. And apparently it will take like 5 to 10 minutes, whatever. But yeah, you can't be bothered to wait. Also, I can't be bothered to wait, but I have to. But you don't, because I'm about to cut the video until it gets completed. So yeah, while we wait, I might tell you a bit of my story about this DSi that I have. I know it's like sad, sympathy points, whatever. It's not that sad, but I got it in like, I don't know, like 2015 or 2016, one of those. I don't remember exactly, but I got it as a birthday present because I asked for a 3DS. Yeah, I did get the 3DS eventually, but it was still nice because I like the DSi sound, because what I realized you could do is that if you hovered over like a sound file that you've recorded on the DSi, you could just leave it there, have it hover over it, and then a few seconds later, if you left it on for long enough, it would play the Super Mario theme with that audio. And I thought that was pretty cool, to be fair. And then I had fun with the camera filters. But I didn't really have much fun with the, games. Because, here's the thing. I did have, some sort of DS. But I was, like, 8 years old and I was a bit dumb back then. And I put the, SD card into the game card slot for some weird reason. I don't know why. Before I was wondering if it would actually read it or something like that, and it was stuck in there. I couldn't get it out, so I freaked the hell out, and yeah, and I just never got to play a game. But then I took it out somehow. Like, I found it again. I was wondering, hey, can you get this out with tweezers or like something? So I tried it. It worked, and I don't know why I didn't do that like 5 years ago by that point. So yeah. And if you remember about the 3DS, I got it like, I don't know, 2 years later. I had no idea what a DSi was. I thought it was just DS, which I used to have, like a pink one, which is the original. Then DS Lite, which I had a few of. And after that, I just thought it went like straight up to the 3DS and 2DS. And the only problem is I kind of got it after everything had shut down, which is what annoyed me, because I wanted these to play like online stuff, because for most stuff I had, I couldn't do that because I couldn't do it with my Xbox 360 or any of my other DSs, because I always had them. I had them either before I knew about the Nintendo WFC Wi-Fi connection to play like online, and then, or I got it after they shut down and I knew about it then. So I couldn't do it even with my PS4 because PlayStation Plus, I think the only really way I could have done it is with like PlayStation Plus, or getting the restrictions off my account from when I was 9, which I set up, by the way, and I couldn't get it off. So yeah, if you want an idea of how stupid I was as a kid, then there you go. Final stretch, guys. It's 90%. That means there's 10% remaining. And it's going to do some epic splash screen and we're all going to die. And any intro to any video game for the new era is just going to like piss itself, because this is obviously going to be so good. Come on, this is 3 more percent. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more. It's about to be it. Oh my god. I don't know why the audio is a bit crispy like that. Fuzzy, but whatever. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out the SD card, yeah, you get me? Just here. Close the DS so you don't see it in my face. And on this SD card, it has the NAND backup here. I'm going to put that on my desktop, and then if I ever have to use that again, or if this ever breaks or something, then I'm just going to use it because it's made to be used. What do you think it was made for? So yeah, I'll see you guys when I've done that. Right guys, not only did I put my NAND backup from my SD card onto my computer, I got Unlauncher in here. This is like an exploit times 2, but we have to redo the exploit that I did before with the SD card camera thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, done that. So you click that, yeah? Boom! It does that thing again. And we're gonna have to go set up something. Yeah, it's like the, wait. Small DS button at the bottom of the screen. I think this is it, you know. Nice. We're in. Nice. Desertgrey.gif sounds pretty nice, to be fair. Right, so I set my stuff, you know. Gonna go back to the real world. I'm gonna go to the creepy ass unlaunch. Nice. But it's cool. So yeah, we're gonna do install now, because we need to install now, and it already finished. So yeah, nice. When completed, reboot your system. Right. That is pretty cool. And now we need to configure this out. So let's go do that. So it just does this file menu on boot, but this is bloating it. The hell? This is ugly. I mean, background's good, but I cannot deal with this. So we're gonna change it. So I found I need to turn it off and then turn it back on, holding A and B according to what I heard, but I'm pretty sure it's just gonna do the exact same thing. See, I never did that and it still did something, so whatever. So now I have to go down to wherever options is, so that. Right, now what do I want to do here? I'm gonna have a look and see what this really means, because I'm having a stroke right now. Save and exit. Hear that nice chime. What a badass name, Rocket Robs. But I wish I had a name like that. Creating page file.sys, please wait. I don't know, bro. I have a bad feeling about that. Creating RAM dump file. What do you want from me? I'll see you guys in 10 hours. When this DSI literally takes a dump. Like, guys, it works, but as soon as it turned on, my phone, which I'm using to record, literally ran out of storage. So yeah, it works, and we're gonna try it right now. Only problem is that isn't Invalco correct? No, it's not correct because I don't use that anymore. Ad is the nickname I go by now. So yes. Yeah, what's a cumbersome emblem? Shoot, bro, I didn't know. I've never played Mario Kart DS before. Right, what are the controls? Damn it, it's backwards. Right, I've got it now. I'm pretty confident this is going to be wacky. You bastard! I hate you! Alright. I've put a Sega Mega Drive emulator on here. Or Genesis if you live in America. Wait, what the hell? It's loading. What? Oh shoot. It's here. Once again! My phone ran out of storage and I was trying to record. Gets high on drugs. So I'd say it serves a pretty good example for a don't do smoking advertised for kids. I know I can just push against the spikes. I'm pretty sure that will still hurt, right? But here, Sega Incorporated. It's not the case. And I died. And stop. This, come on, please. Yes! Look how much rings I have, man. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I guess it's not there then.